Test your general knowledge. Match the beginnings and the ends of the sentences. Drag and match. Make 4 meaningful sentences. Group work. Plan a field trip that you'd like to take. Answer the questions.
1. Where would you like to go? 2. Where is this place? 3. Who would you go with? 4. How would you get there? 5. When would you go? 6. What would you see there? 7. Why would you like to go to this place? Write your news story in your exercise book.
Group work. Plan a field trip.
Write your news story in your exercise book.